Well, this unboxing is a little more of a just show and tell because this watch isn't widely available anymore. Welcome to WatchWit. Let's tear this thing open. Yeah, so I found some new old stock of this Seiko SPC131. I'm just anxious to rip it open and see what it looks like. Let's get in. I don't even know where the entrance is. I'm going to have to pull this towards me. Oh. We can put this away. There it is. All right. Oh, come on, let me in. Yeah, I might need this for a couple of things. It looks like this one could be a little difficult to set. And the reveal. Oh, yes. Oh, it's too bright. Hang on. Yes. Exactly like I expected. Oh, that's awesome. Look at this. First thing you got to see is the blue dial, the blue handset. Yes. This is, well, this band is going to go immediately. That is just really not my style. I can appreciate it, the way it looks on other people, but I just do not like that style of leather. So definitely the band's going to go, but man, look at this thing. Okay, that's kind of weird. So swing tag was not hanging from the watch, but this was like a gray market seller. I did find this on eBay, so probably not uncommon. It could have been a store model or something. It has no signs of any use. It's the band is kind of set to that round shape, which you could think would be a wrist, but I think it's from sitting on the pillow because there are no signs of wear on the actual strap here. And very clean and smooth on the inside as well. So, and just a little bit of dust. See right in there. So, no issues here in believing this is definitely new old stock somehow. At least, first owner. But, and here you got the serial number. And so you see starting with a 9. So this was made in either 2019 or 2009, but I don't think this was being made in 2009. I don't recall. So, yeah, so actually it's not too old. So, well, or maybe it is. I shouldn't say that without confirming it's not 2009, but obviously when you start getting those 9 dates, you have to know your movement number, which I'm just not as familiar with this one right off the top of my head, to determine that date. So anyway, let's get into the watch more. Got to show you this dial first things first. This is what attracted me. I saw this watch on another YouTuber's channel. It was an older video, and I didn't even know Seiko made this. It obviously slipped by my radar, but just the complications and the chronograph feature and just this stylish dress watch look to it, it would just, man, it one of those where it's like, okay, I got to have that watch. That's beautiful. So here's what you get. So try and keep steady here, but yeah, you see those blued hands everywhere. So the hour and minute and the date and chronograph subdial, and you've got them in the hour chronograph subdial, which is also doubles as a 24-hour time when it's in regular mode, and alarm subdial. And you see that splash of silver chrome around those two subdials. Very nice. The blued hands on the running second as well. This is just beautiful. There's so much to look at. I'm trying not to miss anything. But you can see you got the day of the week or in chronograph mode. And you got leap year, 1, 2, 3, a tachymeter. So just a lot of stuff going on. You've got your date complication here. And then when you push the button, it will swing around and show you the month. So I'm not real up to speed on this, but see, I can show you. I believe it's you click. Yeah, here you go. So now we're showing, and that's something I missed, the date. Or no, sorry, we're over here. See, I want to do that all the time. I want to follow this, but it's actually here. So now it's showing you the month. Now it's going to go back. If you don't do anything, it goes back to a normal time operation, which by default will show you the date. So one click, it's going to go to the month. Another click, it's going to go to the leap year setting, and back to the date. Which, yeah, I did cover that when I talked about it. Now I forgot what I've talked about and what I haven't. It's going to be one of those watches. You got to spend some time with it to really kind of, know which setting you're on and what you're looking at, right? It's a busy dial, but it's very clean for how busy it is, right? It's very elegant looking. And I think a lot of it has to do with that choice of the numbers. I mean, it's just got that classic look to it, right? Beautiful. Okay, and then so chronograph mode, it goes here. So you hit the bottom pusher, and you'll see that the indicator will show that you're in chronograph mode. And then once it's ready, once that subdial is flipped around, ready for the 60-minute timer, you can hit the chronograph, and then now you'll see the sweeping seconds, or rather the chronograph hand, which was normally being used here for the other complications, now becomes a running seconds for the chronograph. And this is your running seconds for the regular hour still happening, the time mode.
And then in this subdial here, it actually uses two hands to record up to 24 hours in your chronograph mode.
Very cool, huh? So stop it like a normal chronograph, bottom pusher, and reset. Now you're ready to time something else. Second time, go back into regular time telling mode. Yeah. So you've got Seiko is applied. Yeah, there you go. And then chronograph perpetual is printed. And so this applied Seiko logo is the same as the ring around the two subdials there you see. 100 meters of water resistance. And that's not screwed down. And so the pushers aren't either, they're wide open. But that is very cool. Yes, I am digging it. Let's see, I think you can test the alarm by holding this top button. So I had to move it right up against the mic, and that's as loud as it gets. So yeah, it's a quiet one, but look at that. Look at all that splash of color with those blued hands, and then you've got the red tip on the crescent moon or the half moon. All right, let's measure up. So you got 44 millimeters on the diameter, lug to lug of 51, case thickness of 11 millimeters, and your straps are 22 for your lug width. All right, let's try it on. So today I'm wearing the last unboxing from Watch King, Pure Dial Tempo Star, and you can see the video for the unboxing right there. This is one of those nice surprises. An automatic on the black tier and milled clasp, two that you don't always find together with Watch King black tier. So, and another one of those where it surprised me. This is not one that I'd pick out for myself, but was real happy with it. So yeah, check out that video. It's pretty fun. And there it is on my 8-inch wrist. Look at that. That's a great size, great fit. Again, see, and actually, having that strap on, it doesn't look as bad as I normally just don't like that style of leather. But maybe if this got broken in, it wouldn't be that bad. Maybe I could learn to like it, but I probably won't give it a chance. To tell you the truth, I think I'm going to swap out that strap. But yeah, that is a sharp watch. That's just one of these Seikos that slip under my radar. And like I said, it was new old stock and it was depleting fast. And I'm like, man, if I want this thing, I just got to grab it. What do you think? Do you like chronographs? Do you like this dress style chronograph? Do you like all these complications? Can you understand them? Does it just make your head dizzy? And you want just a basic watch? Or is this your thing? Like the more complications, the more busy the dial. Yes, give it to me. This one's kind of halfway between for me. It's not too busy, but you know what I mean? For all the complications that are going on there, I think it's just excellently executed. I mean, beautiful dial. And again, with everything that's going on, I feel it's not really that busy once you get in and grasp it, right? This is just one example of a watch you'll see on WatchWit. I mean, I try and find a variety of watches, not just ones that suit me, but watches that just are a great find or a great value for money. So if you like that kind of thing, I hope you'll subscribe to the channel and follow along. And I'll see you next time. I'm Wit, with so many watches, so little time and money.